Welcome to the Oceanfront Builders channel. If you love expert construction tips, do us a quick favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Today, we're talking about the absolute best time to install a home theater during your new build. Forget retrofitting, this is how you get it perfect from day one. The biggest advantage you have is open walls. So, step 1, pre-wire everything. And I mean everything. Run high-quality, in-wall rated speaker wire for a full Dolby Atmos system, even if you're starting with a simple setup. Run multiple HDMI 2.1 cables to your projector or TV location. And don't forget at least 2 Cat6 Ethernet ports for rock-solid streaming. Pro tip: run a conduit pipe alongside your cables. It lets you pull new tech in the future without ever tearing open your walls. Step 2. Soundproofing. You want that immersive movie sound without waking up the rest of the house. During framing, use rock wool or mineral wool insulation in the walls and ceiling. It's far superior to standard fiberglass for sound deadening. Then, for the drywall, ask your builder about using resilient channels and a double layer of 5 8-inch drywall with green glue compound in between. This combination is the gold standard for creating a quiet, isolated room. Step 3. Lighting and power. This is critical. Plan for multiple zones of recessed LED lighting and make sure every single one is on a dimmer. For power, your AV equipment needs its own dedicated 20-amp circuit. This prevents your subwoofer from dimming the lights during a massive explosion on screen. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference. Finally, step 4. Plan the layout for your gear and seating before the drywall goes up. Know your screen size and where your seats will be to ensure you're placing in-wall speakers and electrical outlets in the perfect spots. This planning stage can get pretty detailed, and we have a gallery of different home theater layouts on our website, Oceanfront Builders, that can give you some great inspiration. Planning ahead during your new build saves you thousands and gives you a truly professional result that you just can't get with a retrofit. Hope these tips helped. If you got value from this, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point construction advice. For any new construction or major remodeling projects in Los Angeles or Orange County, we're here to help. The best way to reach us is by phone at 888-336-8586 or by visiting our website at oceanfrontbuilders.com.